Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mohammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka.
Dear student, today we will discuss cost price and determination of cost of production. This is our fourth lecture on the chapter. Dear student, at the end of this lecture, you can find the amount of sellable mangoes, you can find the amount of factory cost and cost of goods sold, and you also can find out the amount of profit or loss. Dear student, let's see a question. This is a transaction from Shine Fruits Corner of Dhaka during first week of June 2017. Look at the question. The 200 basket of mangoes were purchased at Taka 500 each from Rajshahi. That means these companies are selling concern. They purchased 200 basket of mangoes from Rajshahi at the rate of 500 each basket. 10 kgs of mangoes are in every basket. 10 kg mangoes are in every basket. Total 500 paid taxpayer. That means taxpayer is taka 500 and packing expenses is 20 paid for each basket. Dear student, look at each basket to 20. That means total cost will be 200 into 20, that means 4000. That means packing expenses is 4000. Dear student, keep it in your mind, packing expenses is 4000. After leaving the truck in Dhaka, it is found that 10 basket of mangoes are completely damaged and unfit for selling. That means at the time of carrying, there are 10 basket of mangoes damaged. Dear student, that means now they have good mangoes 200 basket minus 10 basket, that means 190 basket. Dear student, shop rent paid 2000 and weekly for selling mangoes and 1000 paid as sales commission. These are the question we have. Dear student, now requirement quantity in kg of sellable mango, that means how much good qualities mango we have, and determine the total cost of goods sold, then determine the selling price per basket of mangoes. Dear student, let's see the solution. Sellable mangoes, that means how much good quantities mangoes we have. Total mango we purchase, if you can remember the information, 200 basket, 200 bucket or basket at the rate of 2000 kg. How it is 2000 kg? Dear student, if I can remember, 200 bucket, and in each bucket how much we have? Each bucket we have 10 kg mangoes. Each bucket 10 kg mangoes in each basket. Therefore, it will be 10 into 200. That means we have 2000 kg. We have 2000 kg mangoes. That means we purchase 200 bucket. That means 2000 kg. If it is in kg, it is 2000. Then damaged mangoes. If you can remember, after returning the truck, we have seen that 10 bucket of mangoes are damaged. So 10 bucket mangoes damaged. That means 10 into 10. That means 100 kg mangoes damaged. Dear student, now sellable mangoes we have. If it is in bucket, 200 bucket, we have 10 bucket damage, so 190 bucket. On the other hand, if it is in kg, 2000 kg good mangoes we have, earlier we purchased, then now we have 100 kg damage, so 1900 kg good mangoes we have. This is the sellable mangoes. This is for requirement A. Now requirement B, cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Dear student, cost of goods sold, particular taka. We purchase mangoes. If you can remember, 200 bucket and each basket is taka 500. That means we purchase mangoes for 1 lakh taka. We purchase mangoes for 1 lakh taka. 200 basket and each cost of each basket is taka 500. That means it is 1 lakh taka. And direct cost for this, if you can see the question again, look at direct cost. Direct cost means, if you can remember, last class also I have discussed the cost which is occurred for, which is done for purchasing any goods or commodities, that is direct cost. That is direct cost. Look at here, we have 5,000. We have 5,000 kg mangoes, 5,000 taka paid for tuck pair. We have 200 basket mango we have purchased and 500 each. 10 kg mangoes are in basket and 5,000 paid for tuck pair. So this is direct expenses because this expenses is related with purchase. And then we have another 20 paid for each basket. This is packing expenses. This is also direct expenses. Without packing we cannot carry the mangoes. So dear student, we have 20 bucket and 200 basket, and each basket carrying cost is 20. That means 4,000 is carrying. There is no other direct expenses here. There we have two other expenses. This is shop rent. It is 1,000 paid for sales commission, but this is indirect. The expenses which is done for selling, that is sales expenses. So dear student, we have only two direct expenses. Number one, tuck fair. Look at tuck fair, it is 5,000 and packing expenses 20 into 200 basket, that means 4,000. So total amount of direct expenses is 9,000. 1 lakh taka is purchase price of mangoes and 9,000 is direct cost. Therefore total amount of purchase price is 1,09,000. Total amount of purchase price is 1,09,000. Then we have to add indirect expenses. Indirect expenses, shop rent and sales commission. Shop rent is 2,000 and sales commission is 1,000. Just in the question we have seen shop rent 2,000 and sales commission 1,000. This is 3,000. Therefore cost of goods sold, dear student, cost of goods sold how much? 1,12,000. How it is? Look at 1,09,000 is purchase price and 3,000 is our indirect cost. So cost of goods sold is 1,12,000. Again I am telling, cost of goods sold is 1,12,000. How we can find out cost of goods sold? At first we have to write the purchase price of mangoes, then we have to add direct expenses, then it is total purchase price. With the direct expenses we have to add indirect expenses, that is cost of goods sold or total cost. Dear student, now requirement C. Here we have to find out the selling price. How we can find out the selling price? Look at the formula of selling price is total cost plus profit. That means cost of goods sold or total cost, it is 1,15,000 from requirement B and profit is 20,000. How we get profit 20,000? Let me see. Let's see the question. What is the clue or information given for selling price? Look at dear student, let's see. Look at total cost is 1,15,000, profit is 20%. Profit is, what is the percentage? This was missing, the 20%. Total selling price is 20% on total cost. Profit is 20% on total cost. That means 1,15,000 is total cost. What will be the 20%? Let's take the calculator. 1,50,000 into 20 divided by 100. 1,50,000 into 20 divided by 100. Then it will be then it is 23,000. So their student, total cost plus profit equals to selling price. It is 1,38,000. What is our requirement? 1,38,000 and profit is 23,000. Now if we would like to find out selling price per basket, then we have 1,38,000 total selling price and one basket is 190. That means 1,38,000 divided by 190, it is 726.32. If they would like to earn 23,000 taka profit, then selling price will be 726 per basket. Or if you would like to sell per kg, 1,38,000 divided by 1900, that means sellable mangoes, good mangoes, then it is 72.63. Very easy math, dear student. I hope all of